Hey, have you looked at AI and can't use it? In this video, I will teach you how to make AI work for you by following some steps. You can follow to make the video way more exciting. First, how to make a script with AI. Go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, copy this prompt, I left it in the bio, and replace this topic with your video's topic. Now you can make thousands of scripts, and I recommend DeepSeek to use because he's better at writing and free. The second step is Vidig, a tool that will analyze your channel and give you ideas and keywords for your channel, but it's not totally free. Pictures and images. You can make pictures and images like this in a video, and better for your content with these tools. Like Midjourney and Ideogram, and you can search for realistic images and pictures suitable for your content. Animation. You can make animation videos look very cool by using a ton of tools, but I recommend Hailuo AI to use because it's very easy to use. You only click on image to a video and upload the image suitable for the script. Now you can make animation videos. This tool will help you make your content look very cool if you want to. This tool will be useful for you. And if you want to learn about these tools, write me in the comments and I will make a video about these tools. By these steps, you will control the AI and make it work for you. At the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and give me your opinion about the video.